How you all doing today, my people, my people? How are we all doing? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. I am so happy to have you here. On this channel, you are able to find videos of me doing my hair, also doing budgets, everything, saving, and also a little bit of vlog. All right, so if that interests you any at all, make sure you stick around, hit on that subscribe button, and also go ahead and turn on the notification bell. So once I do upload any videos, you're one of the first persons to be notified about that. Also, for my returning subscribers, hey, what's up? How are we all doing? Yes, we are making it here on YouTube, here in 2022, despite all that's happening. And how I am trying my best to make that happen is to budget. All right. Yeah, I know some people might be like, Ali, listen, there's a crisis happening and everything, but hello, life goes on and we cannot stop. So, this is why I am here doing my budget, making sure that I try to stay on top of things despite everything that's happening. All right. Yes, guys. And also, I should say, happy Women's Day to all my strong, powerful women who are out there. Yes, yesterday was Women's Day, and I just want to say, keep going, ladies. You are a rock star. You can do this. All right. I'm talking about you like I am not a woman. Come on now, Ali. Yes, we can do this. All right, guys. So let's jump into it. All right. We are going to be budgeting today and we are going to be budgeting for week 2 in March. All right. So I have that right around here. Remember, I had gone ahead and I started from week 1. So now we are going into week 2. And as always, when I'm doing week 2 and week 4, I'm always guesstimating what I am going to be getting. All right. And this week it's no different because I'm now guessing based on my hours that I should be coming home with 693. All right. So, fingers crossed, that is what I'm going to be getting. Also, I should let you know, um, oh, before I get into that, it's not the entire 693 that I am going to be using this week because as I said in my last video, which was my cash stuffing video, that I am going to try to leave a little buffer in my account because yeah, your girl tends to go shopping from time to time. And I think that is going to help me instead of me when I'm out there and I see something and I do like it and want to get it, I have to be like, yeah. So I'm gonna try with that until when all my cash envelopes are, stocked away where I am able to just go ahead and take from that and do whatever I need to do because sometimes I want to treat myself. So that's what I plan on doing. All right, now let's get into it, guys, with my bookmarker here. I'm using my lovely grandmother as my bookmarker here in my planner. All right, so guys, yeah, and I use her to bookmark where I'm doing my expenses. So today is the 9th day of March, and look at my expenses already. Oh my gosh. Anyway, guys, your girl kind of tripping. Now, for this pay, which I'm going to be getting here on the 11th, this pay is the bill which is gonna be due in the following week is going to be this year, which is the phone bill, and this is due on the 14th. So when I do get this pay on the 11th, I'm going to use it towards the phone bill here. All right. So I'm going to make sure to have this part of the bill included in my budget this week. I just wanted to show you that part before I go any further. All right. So now we can jump right into it. Let me make sure everything is in here. All right, pens out, everything's out. Ready, guys? Yep, here we go. Let me bend this over a little bit so I think you're able to see better. All right, so let me just write this up here. So today we are gonna be budgeting for 697. no, 693. Right, so 693, I have that up top there. And then in bills, I said the phone bill is due and the phone bill is 100. So I'm going to put that there. And then the total, I'm going to put the total here, which is going to be 100. Oopsie, I'm knocking over things, guys. Wow. Sorry about that. So it's going to be 693 minus 100, so I'm left with 593. So the 593 is what I am going to be starting with here. So that's 593. Let me get my highlighter so I'm able to put this here. All right, so whatever I'm gonna put in pink is what I'm gonna be starting with. All right, now in expenses, I am going to be stuffing laundry again with $5. So laundry is gonna be getting $5. All right, so 593 minus 5, that's 588. And then in grocery this time, as the expense, I'm not going to be putting anything here in grocery this time. All right, but down in the sinking funds, I am going to be putting something there in sinking funds. So my total here for expense is gonna be $5. And when I less the $5 from the 593, I am left with 588. All right, so it's the 588 I am going to be putting there to start with. All right, so my sinking funds now, this is where it's gonna get fun. Guys, I'm excited about this because I'm stepping up my game a little bit. All right. Yes, guys, I'm stepping up my game a little bit here. All right, so now in rent, I am going to be putting $260 in rent. Can you believe that? Oh my God. So 588 minus 260. Because remember, guys, I told you, oh my God, what did I do? Yeah, it's right. Yeah, remember I told you that I want to go ahead and fill up these here because my I'm working my butt off to make sure I fill these up. So that is why I'm putting so much in rent because I need to have, what you call it, month in the back? No, not month in the back. I don't want to owe any rent. Yeah, month ahead. Damn you, Ali. All right. And then for bills, I am going to be putting $10 in bills. So, and then in grocery, I am going to also be putting $10 in grocery. Yes, guys, you would now realize that everything is getting a little bit more. Yes, I'm happy about that. And in shopping, I'm going to be putting $20. And then in maintenance, remember I told you the other day about what I need to do regarding my hair. So yeah, I'm putting a little bit more in that. I think that can do the just by the perm because I'm the one who is gonna do it. I haven't been to the hairdresser in a while, so yeah. All right, transportation, I'm gonna be putting 10 in transportation as well. And then in health, I am going to be putting 5 in health. Yeah, I'm going to be pumping up health some more. So, that can actually be a little bit better. All right, and then we're gonna have dine out. I'm gonna be putting $5 in dine out. And then in gifts, yeah, I'm putting a lot in gifts. So that is gonna get $20 because my cousin's birthday is in April. So yeah, I'm always telling you, her birthday is in April. So I definitely have to get something for her. All right. Yeah, most of the persons in my family, their birthdays are in later on down in the year and they're spread out. So that's cool. Yeah, all right. So, but most persons are in December. So my brother, my niece, and my mom, they're in December. But everybody else, they're like May, July, August, October. So that is awesome. That is awesome. I don't have to worry about them until later on down in the year. That will give me enough time for me to restock. You understand? All right. Miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is getting 5. All right. So minus 5. And then let me just flip this over a bit. All right. So personal now is going to be getting, personal is going to be getting a 5. So minus 5. And then birthday, which is my birthday is getting a 5. For my birthday this year, not this year, next year, because my birthday is January. For my birthday, I I have something planned. It's not gonna be as big as my last birthday. However, I am going to have something planned, something real nice. I think I'm gonna do my birthday and my mom's birthday in one. All right, so now guys, I'm gonna add these up. But before, let me just go ahead and just write this here for my sinking funds. So that's gonna leave me with 223. So that's 223. Let me just highlight that real quick right there, so I'll know what I'm going to be starting there with. All right, so my total now should be 260 plus 10 plus another 10 plus 20 plus 10 plus another 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 20 plus 5 plus another 5 and another 5 here. So that is 365. All right. So now we're going to go down now to our sinking fund, not sinking funds, our savings challenge. All right. So now down in savings challenge, we have $223 that we are going to be working with. All right. So now in Christmas, I am going to be putting $20 in Christmas. So I'm going to be saying 223 minus 20. That leaves me with 203. And then in the 100 envelope, I am going to be putting in 2 envelopes. All right, so I'm going to be putting $53 in one, 53. Uh-oh, how did I get that? All right, so it's gonna be 223 minus 20 equals 203, and then I'm going to minus 53. That leaves me with 150. And then I'm also going to be doing $60. All right, so minus $60. That leaves me with $90 now. And then in the 1K envelope, I am going to be putting $50 in the 1K. All right, so minus 50. All right, so that is going to be leaving me with $40. And this $40, which it's leaving me with, this is what I'm going to leave in my account. All right, so just in case I want to get a little 1 or 2 items, I'm able to get that. All right, so that is what I'm going to be leaving in my account there. So now I am going to be checking this, adding this up to get a total here. So it should be 20 plus 53 plus 60 plus 50. So that is $183 that I am going to be putting in my savings. All right. So now, guys, with all of that said, when I do add up all of these total here in the green, I should come back to the 693, which I have up there. All right. So let me just make sure of that. So here I have 100 plus 5 plus 365 plus 183 is equals to 653, and then I'm going to plus the $40 which I have here. So that's plus 40, and that gives me back the total of $693 which I have here. All right, cool. I'm excited. Guys, I am so excited about this budget here. Oh my God. You don't even understand. Because I am pushing it so bad. I am pushing myself because I want to do the savings. I have so many things that I need to get done, and this is what is going to help me to get there, to accomplish all that I need to do. And whew, Lord, guys, you see. Oh, talking about that, look at my nails. I cut them, and also I got another color. Yeah, nothing too fancy this time. Just try to just keep it neutral there. Not too loud, not too bright. When it's back down in the summertime, then I'll start going up with my colors once more. I love them. They are so cute. Ooh la la. Ooh. All right, guys. So that's it for me for today for our video, our budgeting video. Guys, you know what? You should let me know. You haven't even let me know in the comment area if you do love these budgeting videos. You need to let me know if you love the budgeting videos and if I should continue to do them, or I should just budget off screen and then come when it's time to do the cash stuffing so you can see that. Let me know which you would prefer. Would you prefer the transparency of the budgeting and then the stuffing, or just the stuffing? All right. I know I get a vibe from seeing the budgeting, and then from the budget, then I do get to see the stuffing. That is when I'm watching person's videos. So, yeah, yes, guys. So, all right, that's it for me for today. All right, thank you so much for watching, and you do have yourself a great day. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, so I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, saying peace, take care, and what good. Bye. Bye. Bye.